are here to register our discontent. We are here to register the fact that we think that Peter Bunting should resign from the Senate. He should be asked to resign by the leader of the opposition, Mark Golding.
In my own views, it makes sense to call for Mr. Montague to resign, and at the same time, we have Mr. Bunting that sits in the Senate same way, and really need to remove himself until the investigation done. Nobody says he's wrong or right, but at least to try to step away and just make the investigation go through.
Newspaper yesterday, the Sunday Observer, there's an article that said Bunting should resign too. Expert Shalman Scott, Kevin O'Brien were two other persons quoted, along with Libby Smith, a former member of parliament representing the People's National Party. Now, with our country mired in corruption, which is at 6% of our GDP, God Almighty says, is asking in the most amicable way, Peter Mervyn Bunting, do the right thing.
Mark Golding must find the guts and the balls to ask him to go. Mark Golding must recognize that he's a leader of the People's National Party, elected by the delegates of the People's National Party. And he must do what is right for the People's National Party.